Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching.
Hello everyone! Kumusta? Welcome to my channel. I do hope that everybody are all okay. So, welcome once again and thank you for coming, for giving your time in watching this. And please stay until the end. For today's video, everyone, is from a company named Star Brand Fashion or Star Brand Shop. This is my second time collaborating from this company. And of course, they give this product to me for free. I did not spend, as I've said again, not even a dime to have this product. Thank you so much for your generosity. So, a little bit information about this company. This is another online store in the market that carries luxury replica products such as bags, shoes, clothes, purses, anything that you needed to your daily, everyday, or to your fashion. This company has a lot to offer, guys. So I have all the information below in this video, all the description from this company, link, contact numbers, everything is below in this video. Okay, please go check. And summer is here. Oh goodness, you have to give a gift to yourself. I've been telling this always all the time. And the good thing is they have a good deal too, right? So, well, inflation is here big time and we had to be very practical. This is all my own opinion, okay? I don't really mind buying replica store online into market. Very economical. That's not too much to compare with in the, in the actual market. So that's everything here is all my opinion. So I personally love to do online store, go shopping online store. Very economical in my time. I don't have time to go personally to go shopping. I'll just go click, 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 and here it comes. There are lots of products, especially in this replica online store in the market. Star Brand has a lot to offer you guys. Okay, so without further ado, I've been talking too much now. Let's begin to unboxing. Okay, and please stay until the end of my try on. All right, so let us begin the unboxing to this. Thank you so much once again, Star Brand, for this. So, and please, careful when using sharp objects, okay? Ta-dang! Look at what brand is this. Ha! Oh, beautiful. Okay, so let's continue. Let's proceed. And look what I got. Ha! I love this brand. So everything information for this Star Brand company is below in my description in this video. Please go check, guys. They do have a lot of oh, look at this. Ah, so smooth material. Okay, so this is it. This is the brand TRUCKSUIT, isn't it? Right? Can't really wait to try this outdoor in my stretching workout outdoor. This is very good material. Let me go check. Okay, so here this is. Look at their stitches, guys. No? It's neat. Very neat. Very good stitches. I salute to that. Look at this. Oh. Let's take this off. Cool. Ooh, look at that. How fancy is. So And with this, ah, so gorgeous. Can't wait to. Ooh, zipper. Slides so perfectly. Okay, let's open up this and check the inside stitches. So, can you see that? It is super. Everything is in line. Everything is in. Stitches are all good. Very good stitches. And I got one pocket inside, the inner pocket. For our personal, you know, when we're going for an outdoor run or walk, we have to keep our some kind of uh, cards, right? So this is one of the purposes of that. Or yeah, small phone could be, but I don't really like putting my phone here inside. I normally put my cards here, all right, because I have my belt phone. So very good. Oh my god, thank you Star Brand for this. Let's take another. They knows my brand. Thank you, appreciate this. Wow, zipper, look at the zipper. Looks like very heavy duty. Okay, let's go check one by one. Ha. All right. Wow, soft material. All right, so what do you say? Huh, very cool. I do love the material. And you know, this is my brand. You know that. I am using all my workout gear of this brand, right? So this is just the same material, I'm telling you. Super. Very soft. Ha. Everything is in the right stitches. I don't really see out of line stitches, you know. So yeah. So yeah, I don't really see out of line stitches. Everything is in the right place. The material is just the same as what I got. Super soft, cool material, you know. Yeah, so I can't really wait to try this outdoor tomorrow. And I have this here too, right? Beautiful though. Thank you so much, Star Brand, for this. You know me so well. I like it. I super love it. The material is just so perfect. This is good thing because even though it's summer here in Canada, it's not really the same as the past years. It's still windy, a little cool, a little chilly. So this is very functional in this kind of weather. So I will be using this. And yeah, so I will see you tomorrow in my try on outdoor to this. Okay? You must be wondering why I look like I am about to get crushed. Yes, you get that right. I will be soon right after this. So I will see you tomorrow in my outdoor try on. Okay, see you there. Good morning. Time check, it's 8:20, so let's carry on for the try on outdoor.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Of love on this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise to the living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by,
I am all set.
no maps, no plans.
Let's go.
Wherever it leads,
Here we are,
memory to keep.
outdoor.
Adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's with the light. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
It is very comfy, I would say. Super. I like the material though. Very comfy material.
Clouds above, valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
See how comfy this is, right? So, yeah, you know, you can use this top with the short on, and you can use the bottom one with this kind of top on too. So either way. And as I've said, we can use this in going to the market, in everywhere, in our daily activity. We can use this. This is very functional, guys. So please go get yourself a gift. I will put all the information below in this company. Please check. All right. So let's get heat up here. Okay. So first, because it's sun is here, so I would like to use this. And prior to that, please make sure that you have your sunscreen on 15 minutes prior to heading out, okay?
On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey,
See how flexible this is.
on this road, every scene's with the light. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
Okay, so
Cruising down the
here
highway,
this is.
windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow.
Same
Mountains
brand,
rise up,
same
touching
material.
clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love.
Hmm.
On this
See
road,
how
every
comfy this
scene's
is.
a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads.
So this is all for today's video, everyone. I do hope you enjoyed this video of mine, an outdoor try-on. I'm going to make sure that every try-on will be an outdoor try-on. So please go check their website down in the description video, guys. Star Brand Shop has a very good product, so please go check, guys. So that is all for today's video, everyone. I hope you enjoy watching this video of mine. And yeah, as you can see, the material is very flexible, very soft material, comfy material, I would say. So yeah,
On this road, every scene's with the light. From sunrise